Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, we're going to go over 5 of the best crypto trading bots on the market. I also place below this video the link of what I believe is the best crypto trading program out there. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified for future videos. So what are crypto trading bots? Crypto trading bots are computer programs that create and submit buy and sell orders to exchange based on the rules of a predefined trading strategy. It is pretty much letting artificial intelligence trade on your behalf. This is one of the safest and most effective ways to trade crypto. Here is the list of 5 of the best crypto trading bots on the market. Number 1, Crypto Hopper. Crypto Hopper works with 100 plus tokens on 13 exchanges and has hundreds of thousands of users. Beginners will find a wealth of educational resources, templates, and signals, while experts can design and backtest their own strategies. Hosted in the cloud for quick deployment, Crypto Hopper's deep toolbox and user-friendly interface make it a good all-around choice. Number 2, Traility. What sets Traility apart is its powerful Python API, which means that Python-savvy traders can use the familiar language and libraries to develop bots. Its in-browser coding feature includes intelligent autocomplete and backtesting, with in-browser debugging and rebalancing coming soon. Although this newer platform is still adding capabilities, its easy-to-use Python integration and detached documentation make complex bot building more transparent. Number 3, 3Commas. 3Commas offers sophisticated trading options and a user-friendly, surprising affordable package, making it a good choice for independent traders looking to adopt more complicated strategies. For example, option trading is a tricky business, but 3Commas has a simple, highly visual user interface that helps investors program automated option strategies. As an added bonus, 3Commas blog offers valuable insights, analytics, and guides for crypto traders. Number 4, Crypto Hero. With very affordable pricing and a very simple user interface, Crypto Hero is ideal for traders who are new to crypto bots. It also optimized for AI, another perk for the trusting time-pressed or novice. Number 5, Pionex. Pionex is a cryptocurrency exchange that gives users access to 12 free trading bots, including grid bots and arbitrage bots. The $0 price tag is appealing, but so is the fact that because the bots are built into the exchange, the user doesn't need to wrestle with any API integrations. Be aware, however, to fund your account with US dollars, you will need to download Pionex Lite, a second app. So guys, this completes the list of 5 of the best crypto trading bots on the market. Picking a crypto bot is the easiest part. You also need to have the right strategy in place. You need to know which coin pair to trade, and you also need to know how to set up the automation. That's why I recommend you join the program created by Dan Hollings, which is one of the best programs for beginners looking to get into crypto trading. I also placed the link of the program in the description below. Give us a thumbs up and show your support in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.